una welcome una to this our channel. Una no say ogbonge update na we dey carry come. Right now update dey like this. And this one na about electricity. Na fuel subsidy removal gbege. Na dey happen since so dey make people dey go gaga since unto the increment of fuel when new president take carry fuel subsidy comot on the day of inauguration. And that one Naija, whenever we come out for that one, the new price we say we see dey in shock. They say e good anyway. Right now, they say from the beginning of July, that's next month, say electricity tariff you wan go up. You wan go up like this. My people, wetin we wan do? Wetin the average Nigeria, how they say make dem do? Make dem let average Nigeria breathe now. Make dem let them breathe. President Tinubu last week na dem say he sign bill say make constant electricity make e dey. Make constant electricity make e dey for Naija. Na he sign. Na sign dey sign since he signed that one last week. When I hear that news, I felt myself like this. I say, hey, una sure say this one no be one wey wan take increase tariff so. I feel reason now. Right now, e don drop. They say from beginning of July, say tariff go top up, as in not be the one we dey buy before. Maybe you buy, they reach prepaid meter now, you buy a card of 1,000 naira. They fit give you a unit of 15 units or 13 units. Now, if you buy a card of 1,000 naira, if they give you 5, thank God. Now, they say make average Nigerian make dem not breathe again. Now this one me. Person go use big money to buy petrol. He go come use big money buy lights. Food sef don go up because they say na transportation wey dey carry food come. Na fuel they take dey buy, do transportation, take dey enter transportation. Fuel wey go up, food go up, petrol go up. Electricity make we dey manage, no be say we dey see am. They say e go dey we come dey happy. Now they say they don increase tariff. So average Nigeria no go breathe again. Make they enter bush or make they use lantern or torch, lantern, matches. Make they use lantern. Nigeria, we no know where we dey go for this one. Make they help us beg government. Make they see reason average Nigerian matter, because not be everybody get that big money. Not be everybody get that big money. Even the lantern self, not be everybody go see money take buy am. E go hard. As in the whole thing they don't dey reason average Nigerian matter for this country. Anyway, my people, and the other people carry come like this video so. Make una go dey prepare una mind how na matter dey use lights. So now see the light like this, e come. As e come, if na 1 hour una wan just use am, una just use am finish, una go off am, save am for the next day 1 hour again. Una no go use am. Make we dey plan towards how we want to manage that. This one they say they want increase the tariff so. Anyway, make una drop una comment and read this story, and make una don't forget to like and share. Make una share this video our Facebook page now, Real News Channel. Make una follow us on that page with the beg una dey try. Make una follow us on our Facebook channel will be Real News Channel. Make una like us, una like am, make una share our videos and una comment. Make una not fail to drop comment. As una take reason this whole story, as una see all our gist, make una dey drop una comment for there. Una do well. See you in our next video. Bye.
Fire when the storm hits you.
That's it, friend.